Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of creative small kitchen and dining room decor ideas and tips for creating functional and stylish kitchen dining combo space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have a small kitchen, you may be wondering how you can fit a dining area into the space. After all, kitchens are typically designed for cooking and food preparation, not for eating. But with a little creativity, you can create a functional and stylish dining area in even the smallest kitchen. In this video, we will discuss some of the best small kitchen dining room ideas. We will also answer some common questions about small kitchen dining rooms, such as: can small kitchens be dining rooms? How do I expand my small kitchen into a dining room? What do you call a small kitchen dining area? What type of kitchen dining is best for small spaces? Can small kitchens be dining rooms? Yes, small kitchens can be dining rooms. In fact, many people prefer to have their kitchen and dining area in the same space. This is because it makes it easy to cook and eat in the same room. It also creates a more casual and inviting atmosphere. If you are considering turning your kitchen into a dining room, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, you need to make sure that the kitchen is large enough to accommodate a dining table and chairs. Second, you need to make sure that there is enough storage space for all of your kitchenware. Finally, you need to make sure that the kitchen is well ventilated, as cooking can produce a lot of fumes. How do I expand my small kitchen into a dining room? If your kitchen is too small to accommodate a dining table and chairs, there are a few ways you can expand the space. One option is to knock down a wall that separates the kitchen from another room. This will create a larger, more open space that can be used for both cooking and dining. Another option is to build a breakfast bar or island in the kitchen. This will provide additional seating and counter space. You can also use the breakfast bar or island as a place to store food and kitchenware. What do you call a small kitchen dining area? There is no one definitive answer to this question. Some people call a small kitchen dining area a kitchenette, while others call it a breakfast nook. Ultimately, the name you choose is up to you. What type of kitchen dining is best for small spaces? There are a few different types of kitchen dining that are well suited for small spaces. One option is to use a round table. Round tables take up less space than rectangular tables, and they can seat more people comfortably. Another option is to use a banquette. A banquette is a long bench that is built against a wall. It provides additional seating without taking up a lot of floor space. Finally, you can also use a folding table. A folding table is a great option for small spaces because it can be folded up when not in use. This saves space and makes it easy to move the table around. And here, these the top 10 best small kitchen dining room ideas. 1. Use a round table. 2. Build a breakfast bar or island. 3. Use a banquette. 4. Use a folding table. 5. Choose light-colored furniture. 6. Hang mirrors to reflect light. 7. Use vertical space for storage. 8. Keep the floor clear. 9. Use a consistent color scheme. 10. Add personal touches. With a little creativity, you can create a functional and stylish dining area in even the smallest kitchen. By following these tips, you can make the most of your space and enjoy delicious meals with family and friends. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of creative small kitchen and dining room decor ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.